So, in this chapter, we studied Unit 5, Unit 5 Statistics, Unit 5 Statistics. So, what is statistics and how to find out the statistics? So, in terms of first point is range. So, how to find out range in statistics? So, first upon, what is range? So, range is the simplest measure of dispersion. Simplest measure of dispersion. It is defined as the highest and lowest and lowest values in the distribution. So it is the highest and lowest value difference. It is defined as the highest and it is defined as the difference between difference between highest and lowest value is the range. Means range is equal to largest value minus smallest value. Largest value minus smallest value. Hence, largest value is L and smallest value is S. Hence, range is equal to L minus S. L is the largest value and S is the smallest value. Then we give second point is range for raw and ungrouped data. Ungrouped data and raw data साठी range find out कशी So first upon given that for ungrouped data साठी range is the difference between highest and lowest value. Difference between highest and lowest value. Hence, range is equal to largest value minus smallest value. Hence, R is equal to L minus S is the formula for ungrouped data. Then next point is range for group data. Group data असेल तर what is the range of the group data? Then for grouped or continuous distribution, साठी range is the difference between the upper limit of highest class and lower limit of lowest class. Means here range for group data is range is equal to upper limit of highest class minus lower limit of smallest class. So then find out, next point is coefficient of range. How to find out coefficient of range? So coefficient of range is equal to range upon sum of the highest and lowest value. Means coefficient of range is equal to range means L minus S and sum of the highest and lowest value means L plus S. Then hence here important formula is first range and first for raw and for raw and ungrouped data, range is equal to largest value minus smallest value is equal to L minus S. Then second, for group data, range is equal to upper limit of higher class minus lower limit of lowest class. Then second formula for coefficient of range is coefficient of range is equal to L minus S upon L plus S. Then we give first example how to find out range. Then first example is find the range of the following distribution. Find the range of the following distribution. The first is 3, 6, 10, 1, 15, 16, 21, 19 and 18. Then first, given that 3, 6, 10, 1, 15, 16, 21, 19 and 18. Here L is the largest value. यामध्ये लार्जेस्ट व्हॅल्यू कोणती आहे तर लार्जेस्ट व्हॅल्यू इज 19. Sorry, largest value is 21. Largest value is 21 and S is equal to smallest value. And smallest value या डाटामध्ये smallest value कोणती आहे तर 1. So hence rangeचा फॉर्म्युला काय range is equal to largest value minus smallest value means L minus S is equal to L is the 21 minus S is 1. 21 minus 1 is equal to 20. Hence this data has range 20. Then we give next example. Example second. 200, 210, 208, 160, 250, 290. So first upon given that this data 200, 210, 208, 160, 250, 290. Then first upon here L is the largest value. What is the largest value in this data? Here largest value is 290 and S is the smallest value, and which is the smallest value in this data? So smallest value is 160. So range is equal to L minus S, means 290 minus 160 is equal to 290 plus 160 is equal to 9 minus 6, 3, 2 minus 1, 1, 130. Hence range is equal to 130. Then we give third example. 2, 3, 1, 6, 10, 17, 20, 24, 31. Then first upon given this data 2, 3, 1, 6, 10, 17, 20, 24 and 31. Here L is equal to largest value. Here largest value is 31 and S is the smallest value, and smallest value is equal to 1. Hence range is equal to L minus S is equal to 31 minus 1 is equal to 30. Hence range is equal to 30. Then give fourth example. 800, 700, 257, 50, 900, 900, 25, 1000, 790, 870, 920. First upon given that this data 800, 700, 25, 750, 900, 925, 910, 1000, 790, 870, 920. Here L largest value, here largest value is 1000 and S is the smallest value, and smallest value is the 725. So here range is equal to L minus S. So 1000 minus 725 is equal to 275. Hence range is equal to 275. Then we give next example 45, 42, 39, 40, 48, 41, 45, 44. So first upon given all these value 45, 42, 39, 40, 48, 41, 45, 44. So here L is the largest value is equal to 48 and S is the smallest value and smallest value here smallest value is 39. Hence range is equal to L minus S means 48 minus 39 is equal to 9. So range is equal to 9. Then we give second example. Calculate the range from the following data. Weight in kg is 70, 75, 69, 80, 85, 83, 65, 89, 73, 84 and 90. So first upon given that weight in kg, write down all these weights 70, 75, 69, 80, 85, 83, 65, 89, 73, 84, 90. Then here L is the largest value, hence largest value is equal to, your largest value is 90 and S is the smallest value and here smallest value is 65. Hence range is equal to L minus S means 90 minus 65 and 90 minus 65 is the 25. Hence range is equal to 25. Then we give third example. Find the range and the coefficient of range of the following data. One hundred 100, 130, 50, 150. So first upon given that 120, 100, 130, 50, 150. Then here L is the largest value. Here largest value is 150 and S is the smallest value, and smallest value here smallest value is 50. So range is, so first upon find out range. Range is equal to L minus S, means 150 minus 50 is equal to 100. Hence range is equal to 100. Then we find out coefficient of range. Hence coefficient of range is equal to L minus S, L plus S is equal to 150 minus 50 upon 150 plus 50 is equal to 150 minus 50 is 100 and 150 plus 50 is equal to 200. So 100 दूना 200. So 1 upon 2, but 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2 means 2, 1 divided by 2. 2 ने डिवायडेशन करायचं. सो 2 पंची 10. So 0.5 is the answer. Hence coefficient range is equal to 100 and coefficient of range is 0.5. Then get next example. Find first range and second coefficient of range of the following data. $50, $90, $120, $40, $180, $200 and $80. So first upon given that this data 50, 90, 120, 40, 180, 200 and 80. So first upon here L is the largest value is equal to largest value 200 and S is the smallest value. So smallest value is equal to 40. Hence range is equal to L minus S. So 200 minus 40 is equal to 160 is the range of this data. Then we find out coefficient of range. Then hence coefficient of range, second coefficient of range, how to find out coefficient of range? Formula is L minus S upon L plus S, means 200 minus 40 upon 200 plus 40, and 200 minus 40 is 160 and 200 plus 40 is equal to 240. Then this and this cancel, 8 दूना 16 त्रिक 24, hence this answer is 2 upon 3. But 2 upon 3 means 3 ने डिवाइड करायचं, 2 ने नाही 3 ने डिवाइड करायचं. सो 318 2 राहिले, पुन्हा 318 असे 666 येत राहतात. सो आपण लिहायचं 0.667 is the answer. Hence coefficient of range is equal to 0.666 राहता. सो 0.6 5च्या पुढे असेल, 6 हा 5च्या पुढे आहे. सो 67 coefficient of range is 0.67. Then we give next example. Find the range and coefficient of range of the following distribution. आता हा ग्रुप डाटा डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. सो 2 3 5. Here this is xi and this is fi. 10 20 30 40 and 50, and this is 7 5 3 2 1. So first upon here L is the largest value of xi. L means largest value कोणती आहे तर 15. largest range किती आहे 15. So and S is the smallest value of xi, and smallest value किती आहे 10. So first upon range is equal to L minus S, means 15 minus 10 is equal to 14. Hence range is equal to 14. Then we find out coefficient of range. Then also find out coefficient of range. Hence coefficient of range is equal to L minus S L plus S is equal to 15 minus 10 upon 15 plus 10. 15 minus 10 is equal to 40 and 15 plus 10 is equal to 16. So, beduna 4, betriksa. So, 2 upon 3 and this answer बेसंग 318 so 318 so 0.666 असे जाता तो 0.67 hence coefficient of range is equal to 0.67. Then we give next example from the following data. Calculate first range and second coefficient of range. So first upon we draw this chart. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here marks. So here number of student. Then 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. Then 10, 20, 15, 25, 30 and 25. Then first upon here L is the upper limit of highest class. So इथे अपर लिमिट काय आहे तर 50 to 60. सो ह्याचं हायेस्ट क्लास आहे याचं अपर लिमिट 60. So L is equal to 60 and S is the lower limit of smallest class. Here smallest class is the 0 to 10 and here lower limit is 0. So 0. Then first upon find out range. Range formula is L minus S is equal to 16 minus 0. So is equal to 60. Hence range is equal to 60. Then in second we find out coefficient of range. Here coefficient of range is equal to L minus S L plus S means 60 minus 0 and 60 plus 0 means 60 upon 60 is equal to 1. Hence coefficient of range is equal to 1. Then we give 7 example. From the following data, calculate range and coefficient of range. So first upon we draw this chart. One, two, three. Here marks, and this is number of student. So 10 to 90, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, 60 to 69, and 6, 10, 16, 14, 8, 8 and 4. आता इथे हा कंटिन्युअस क्लास नाही आहे. 10 to 19, 10 to 20 असायला पाहिजे होतं, पण 12 to 19 आहे. सो तो आपल्याला फर्स्ट कंटिन्युअस करावा लागेल. हियर 10 to 20, 20 to 30 असला असता तर तो कंटिन्युअस क्लास असता, पण दिस क्लास इंटरवल आर नॉट कंटिन्युअस. हा क्लास कंटिन्युअस नाही. फर्स्ट अपॉन तो आपल्याला कंटिन्युअस करावा लागेल. हेन्स मेकिंग देम कंटिन्युअस ॲज. कसं करणार कंटिन्युअस? तर draw this chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So this is marks and number of students. So first upon 10 to 90 हे कसं करणार? तर 10च्या आधी काय घेणार? 9.5 to 90.5. आता 90.5 to 29.5. आता हा क्लास कंटिन्युअस झाला. सो 29.5 to 39.5. जिथे हा अंक जिथे येतो तोच इथे आला पाहिजे. सो 39.5 to 49.5 and 49.5 to 59.5 and 59.5 to 69.5. 6, 10, 16, 14 हे सेम राहणार. सो फर्स्ट अपॉन here L is the largest value. Upper limit of L is the largest value means upper limit of highest class. Upper limit of highest class is equal to आता ह्याचं अपर लिमिट हायेस्ट क्लास काय आहे 59.5 69.5. सो अपर लिमिट काय आहे 69.5 and S is the lower limit of smallest class. So here smallest class is 9.5 to 95 आणि ह्याचं स्मॉलेस्ट लोअर लिमिट काय आहे तर 9.5. सो आता हे एल आणि एस कन्सिडर करायचे आणि फर्स्ट अपॉन वी फाइंड आउट रेंज. हेन्स फर्स्ट रेंज calculate range is equal to L minus S is equal to 69.5 minus S is 9.5 is equal to 69.5 minus 9.5. 5 minus 5 0, 9 minus 9 0 and 60. So 60. So range of इथे 0 कन्सिडर करायचं नाही. 60.0 means 60. Then range is 60. Then we find out second coefficient of range. Hence coefficient of range is equal to L minus S L plus S is equal to 69.5 minus 9.5 and L plus S means 69.5 plus 9.5. This minus is 60 and 69.5 plus 9.5 is 5 into 5 10, 9 9 18, 18 plus 1 19, 1 6 plus 1 7. So 79.0 means 79. Then यांचं डिवायडेशन करायचं 60 upon 79. सो 79 ने डिवाइड करायचं. याचं इथे 79 लिहायचं आहे. सो 16 डिवायडेड बाय 79 याचा आन्सर कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं. याचा आन्सर काय तर 0.759. बट 5च्या पुढे गेला. 5च्या पुढे 9 आहे. सो 5च्या पुढे गेला. सो 0.76 directly 0.76. Hence coefficient of range is equal to 0.76. Okay, next lecture we studied other example.